Dynasty Ducts, Atlanta's premier choice for expert air duct and dryer vent cleaning services. Trusted and certified technicians. With certified technicians, we provide service that meets industry standards. Before and after. Experience the clear difference with clean HVAC ducts and dryer vents, helping with a healthier home environment. Thorough inspection and cleaning. Our thorough inspection and cleaning promotes safe and efficient air systems. Enhanced air quality. Remove dust, mold, and lint buildup, and enhance your home's air quality with Dynasty Ducts. Clean air, peace of mind. Breathe easy knowing your air ducts and dryer vents are cleaned properly. Don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers speak volumes about our work. Questions about air duct cleaning? We provide informative answers to ensure your peace of mind. Ready for cleaner air? Contact Dynasty Ducts to schedule your service. No upfront costs, just honest pricing. Take the first step towards cleaner air. Click below to get a free quote today from Dynasty Ducts.